when you don't have life's most basic human needs, then all you can really think about is just trying to survive. Everyone deserves to have decent housing and safety and shelter. My name is Brett Hagler, and I am a co-founder of New Story. We decided we wanted to build homes for the homeless using 3D printers when we realized that doing things a traditional way is never going to catch up to the scale of the problem. Perhaps the secret to saving the world is through technology. We have finally began 3D printing the world's first community and have our first street of homes 3D printed. Today, we have built nearly 3,000 homes across 4 different countries. A lot of families say that this is a dream come true for their families, and it is our aim to not let the project stop until all human rights are met.